Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about grab priorities. Grab priorities are useful for collections of objects that are close together, in which you might want the user to be able to have sort of more control over what they pick up or have priority over objects that they want to pick up. So a certain object might be more important than another object. I'll show you an example and then things should make more sense. Let's get it started. If I were to just move POV here, you'll see I have two piles of cubes. They're all sort of grouped together and in quite a mess. And I have one pile where there's a red cube and one pile where there's a green cube. So I'm going to go up to the red pile here, and I want to just grab the red cube. So I could do that easily with the laser. That would be quite easy. But if I wanted to do it with my hand, not a remote grab, then I would go up to the red cube and put my hand on it and grab it, and then the rest of the cubes would come with it. And that could get frustrating, like how am I going to just get the red cube? Alright, well, I'll have to do this and then that, and then hooray, I finally got the red cube. There's actually a better way to do it, and that's set up in the green pile. So over here on the green pile, I can go up to the green cube and grab that, and just the green cube comes out. And that's because of a subtle change that I've made to the green cube. I've got an developer tooltip here, and I'm going to go ahead and inspect the green cube and show you. So open inspector. On the grabbable component for the green cube, I have set the grab priority here to 4. And this means that during a grab operation, so when I grab with my hand, or in some cases lasers as well, it has a higher priority for the grab system than any other object. If I inspect one of these other cubes here, you'll see that this has the default grab priority of 0, and that this has a higher grab priority of 4, so higher wins here. So in this case, when I'm grabbing near the green cube, it always grab the green cube first because it has a higher grab priority. You can also use grab priority when grabbed, which is for scenarios where an object is already grabbed and you might want the grab priority to be less when it is grabbed. That's quite simple. There's not really much else to do here. It can be unclear when you want to use this particular property of grabbing, but you'll know it when you see it. Like if you have a big pile of objects on a table and you want to grab something more specifically, then grab priorities are what you need. That's it for grab priorities. I will see you next time.